Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos.
Build your life, do it yourself.
Hey everyone, so today, as you can see by the title, I went to Dollar Tree. This is the first time I've been to Dollar Tree in a while. I wanted to go and get some crafts and some stuff for my son's class, like some little treats and stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got. I got a few more things than I planned, but I hadn't been there in a while, so. Okay, so when I first went in there, I couldn't find like any craft stuff, so I was just kind of looking. I barely found a couple things, but then I went around a corner and I realized I had a whole lot of the crafts on like an end cap that they don't normally have them. So I ended up getting more than I was kind of planning. Okay, so I got this Transformers, let's see, Pop Outs, Take and Play. It's a color and play activity set, so I think it's like these little shapes that you, they pop out and you color them and you can play with them. That was kind of cool. Also got Peppa Pig, Pop Outs, Take and Play. I got this Disney Princess. This is a puzzle part out. I don't remember putting this in there, but it's, I guess it's a 48-piece Rapunzel puzzle. Disney Frozen 2. This is it says mold and play 3D figure maker. So I guess you have some kind of mold that you put in there and you can make an Elsa. It says 2 different dough colors. I got a few packs of clothespins. I want to make another clothespin wreath. I'll try and do a video on it if I have time. I got, I think, 3 packs of clothespins around here somewhere. What's that? They're 36 packs for $1. Or a 36 pack. 36 pack for $1. Okay, I got this Lion King coloring thing. It's kind of looks like an ornament. This is, I haven't watched Lion King so long. This is a Simba. And it's got the 3 markers, and it's like a little ornament that you color. And then we also got a Moana color ornament. This is 1 book. Calls it a book. 1 book to color, 1 keychain, and 3 markers. Okay, so I got those. I got this. This is one of the things that I just couldn't, when I initially couldn't find anything, it was one of the things I grabbed. This is another Pop Outs Take and Play. It's these little characters. You just use color them and pop them out. I think it has 4 of them. Oh no, it says 24. Oh, it has a 24-page fun pad, 25 stickers, 3 markers, and 4 coloring boards. So that's pretty cool for $1. I got a couple of these Starburst. They're like mini packs. I got 3 of these packs for his class. They're like Valentine's. And then I got a couple of these. I like these packs. It's a Imperial Nuts Power Blend. It's salted peanuts, almonds, shelled pistachios, filberts, and walnuts. Got 2 of those. I got these packs of mini Airheads. I've never seen mini Airheads before. I think I got 2 of these. These are 12. They have 12 packs of mini Airheads for $1. Got 2 of those. I got this Bo Peep Toy Story 4. It is a easy fun stick-on pom-pom activity. So I guess it's got the picture and it has these little pom-poms in the back. It says you don't need glue, so I guess they must be sticky. You stick them on there and make a little picture. Oh, I guess to color her dress, looks like. That was cute. We also got a Tonka. Is this Tonka? Yeah, Tonka. Another Pop Out Take and Play where you color it and I guess the Pops Out play with it. 4 coloring boards, 3 markers, 24-page fun pad, and 25 stickers. I got this little hand sanitizer with a cute little llama. There's that. Need lots of hand sanitizer right now. I got a pack of Veggie Straws, the regular sea salt, which now I'm kicking myself. I should have got a couple of packs of these while I was there since I never go. Those. We got some Sunny D. The same thing with this. I should have got more than just one, but there's that. I got a pack of these Pop-Tarts, the s'mores. I think you can call them perler beads or something. It says glow-in-the-dark beads designer. It's like the little beads, and it comes with, let's see, what's it come with? 1 bag of glue beads, ironing paper, pegboard, and instructions. So basically you're ironing it onto the paper and then making a little design. I don't know if you guys remember doing these. They used to be really popular. But I figured actually I got this for myself. I wanted to try it out. So I got that. I got some ring pops. Got this Paw Patrol Pop Outs Take and Play. It's another of those color and pop out things. Got some cinnamon applesauce. Let's see. Got a pack of water. This is like a 1 liter, I think, of Diet Pepsi. And then I got a Toy Story 4. This is a mold thing like the Elsa one. It's a mold and make Woody 3D figure maker. These are kind of cool. I've never seen these before. Hold on a second. Okay, I was running out of room. So I got the kids these little like heart balloons. I got a PJ Mask. And then I got a Minnie Mouse. These are really cute. It's such a good deal for $1. Okay, so I made a little room so I can show you guys these. I thought they were really cute. I got this sign. It says love. It's got these like galvanized looking hearts up here to hang on the wall. And I feel like something like this could be used year round, not just like for Valentine's Day. Thought that was cute. And then I got these. Also says follow your heart. Follow your heart. And then I got this one. Is love you to the moon and back. I think these two are going to be for the kids' rooms maybe. So love you to the moon and back. And then follow your heart. I think I want to put in the kids' rooms because I think that's really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.